Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Techy. Today we are going to learn that how we can install Visual Studio Code. So first of all we can open our browser and search Visual Studio Code. And from here we can access our Visual Studio Code website, from where we can download the file, and from here we can also download for OS, for Linux and for Windows installer. So we can install for Windows, and from here we can download, and you can see that our downloading is start. And from Visual Studio Code website you can see that we can code different languages on Visual Studio Code. So here our download is almost complete. After completing our download, we can open the folder and start the installation of Visual Studio Code. So we can double click on it. Here I can click on I accept the agreement and click next, and here is our file location, which is by default is C, and if we can change, we can browse and set the location which we want. I can use default, and we can click on next, then next, and here I can click yes on all boxes. So I can click next and install, and after a while we can successfully install the Visual Studio Code. Now we can install successfully the Visual Studio Code, and now after installation we can click on finish, and we can open it. So here our Visual Studio Code is open. We can click on file to open new file to write some code. If we have already a code, we can click on open file. If we have a saved project, we can click on open folder. So we can start with the new file. So we can save our practice.py. Py is a Python extension. I can save file on desktop and create file. So here we can code, and if I want to install the extension, I can install Python extension. If I want other extensions for other languages, we can see the popular extensions here. We can simply install for a language which we want to code. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.